Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 15, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into a recovery mode. So, to get started, you will want to hold the power button, or if you don't get the boot options with just the power button, you can hold power button and volume up. Anyway, from here, swipe down to turn off your device. And when your phone turns off, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Now when you see the OnePlus logo on the screen, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. After a moment we should have a language selection. There we go, show up. Now because of how my camera is set up right now, there is only one option kind of visible, but there is two other ones. So the last one is English. You can see it right now when I click on it, and that's our recovery mode. And here we again have three options, but the most important one is visible, which is format data. I can actually maybe fix that up. No, not this way. Oh, there we go. So you can now see all the options. So we have format data, we have reboot device, and power off. Now these options are, there's just one, and the two other ones are just ways of leaving this mode. So format data is a factory reset of the device. Now, anyway, I'm gonna select the reboot device and OK. And this will reboot the device and bring me back into Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.